Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Another useful and informative video which is about how to fix microphone not working on iPhone after iOS 17 update. So first of all, I will request to my all friends, please subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for more latest videos, so do not waste any time. First of all, fix this issue. So first solution, you have reboot your iPhone. Something easy. Rebooting or reinstalling your iPhone can fix many issues, including problem with your device microphone. Restarting the iPhone means all the apps open on your device are shut down, and then your system processes running in the background are refreshed or reloaded. This method fixes a lot of window as well as significant issue caused by bugs and your glitches. Hence, try restarting your iPhone to fix its microphone. So then you have press the volume up button, volume down button, press the power button when you see appears Apple logo on your screen. Then 10 to 20 seconds wait, then your mobile is restarted, then your problem will be fixed. Second solution, you have unplug the all accessories and turn off Bluetooth. If you have any accessories or add-ons like headphones, earbuds, earphones, etc. connected to your iPhone, try unplugging them, as these might be causing some interference with your smartphone's microphone. So then you have turn off Bluetooth. So you have opened the setting, click on Bluetooth, turn off from here. I have already turned off. Then third solution, you have reset your iPhone settings. Change in your iPhone setting for any reasons can affect the proper functioning. So then you have obsolescence feature or aspects of your device, including the microphone. Hands resettings your iPhone settings can help fix this issue. Worry not, as resetting the setting will not erase or wipe out your smartphone data. So then you have open the setting, and then you have click on general, click on reset transfer. So then you have click on reset our setting, iPhone given a password, then you have enter a passcode, and then do not lose any data on your iPhone, only reset setting. Then fourth solution, you have check for available software updates and download or install them. Suppose you have recently updated to iOS 17 and are facing this issue even after trying out the method discussed earlier in this article. In that case, it is quite possible that the update might not have been installed properly on your device. Hence, it is advised that you check for update and install them. If your device does not show any available update, that try reinstalling iOS 17 operating system on your device. So then you have opened the setting again, click on general, click on software update. iOS latest version on your iPhone available, so you must be installed on your iPhone. And then last solution, you have please clean the microphone on your iPhone. If you are someone who barely takes care the iPhone or clean them frequently, the dirt and lint might get inside the ports of your smartphones, causing the microphone up to sound muffled or muted. It is essential you clean your smartphone now and then from them to last long without any issues. So hopefully guys, after watching this video, you will all know. If you have any problems, so please let me know in the comments box. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Do not forget subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Allah Hafiz.